Good afternoon, masterminds. I really can't wait any longer to enjoy some delicious food. So, at 4 p.m., I'm gonna start cooking my first Blue Apron meal of the week. Moroccan chicken with prunes and brown rice. That sounds fucking delicious. Oh man. To begin cooking, combine 1 cup of water, some brown rice, and a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil and then simmer. It'll take 25 to 30 minutes to cook the rice, so in that time, prepare the other ingredients. Now, saute the carrots. Make sure to season. While the carrots cook, dry your chicken thighs and season them. The carrots are nicely colored. Take them out and set them aside. Now cook the chicken. Fluff the rice when it's finished cooking. Look at that color. Amazing. To the fond, you're gonna add the garlic, the white bottoms of the scallions, the prunes, and a Moroccan spice blend. There is a wonderful smell of cinnamon in the house. Next, add the San Marzano tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of water, and some red wine vinegar. I forgot the honey. Make sure to add it. Return the chicken to the pan with its lovely resting juices. Oh my gosh. Finally, add the carrots and a splash of red wine vinegar to the brown rice. It's time to plate up! Moroccan chicken with prunes and brown rice, done! Perfectly cooked chicken. That is one tasty spice. Deep flavor, tomato, cinnamon, and the sweet prunes. Oh my gosh. Oh. The sauteed carrots, lovely flavor with the brown rice. And then a hint of onion from the scallions. My goodness. Juicy freaking chicken. Look at that. I'm glad I went early bird today. Unlike old people eating dinner early. I've changed some OBS settings. Hopefully my Twitch stream is better. Here's some footage.
Do not shoot the first person, Orange. Never mind, he's cheating.
Dude, I should have shot that first person, huh?
Well, maybe we didn't know he was cheating.
Oh, let's go, Bill Nye!
Why am I reading your chat like it's mine? I was about to, like, talk to him.
Someone buy armor, I'll raid boss you. There you go, Noah.
Let's have at it, mates. Grenade out.
Holy shit! That caught me off guard.
There's one apps.
I was going to, but then the guy bought it from us. Holy shit!
Jeez, twice in one match.
I'd be mad.
One pushing two.
Laying down smoke.
I'd be fucking pissed.
Alright, masterminds, I will catch you tomorrow in the next vlog. Remember, be smart for your heart.